What's good, YouTube? It's Lucas bringing back to you another YouTube video, and it's gonna be a nostalgic one. For all you guys that are those huge Faze Reigns fans, I'm bringing you back a throwback video of going in free for all, going for a trick shot. So we got the Road to Killcam, episode 1. Let's get it. Alrighty, but one more thing. I need everyone that's watching this right now to go like and subscribe to my channel. Oh, I love this game so much.
What?
Yeah, my guy. It's kind of like the bear at 50 cal. It's gross. I love it.
I just picked it up off the ground. Oh no, I don't know how you aim so quickly. How did you shoot like that?
Fuck you guys up.
Listen to this guy.
Free for all.
I'm gonna
Give me
shit
some
on your
of
mom's chest. I'm gonna shit on your mom's chest and then fucking make your sister watch you eat it. Shut the fuck up, bitch.
Alright, here we go.
Yeah, he's already saying, here we go.
Beat your bitch ass up.
Nah, shut the fuck up, nigga.
Oh, really?
Pull up on me, bitch ass. I tell you, bitch ass. Yeah, you had to do it. Yeah, shut your bitch ass up.
UAV is ready for flyover.
Bitch ass. There you are again, you pussy bitch.
Listen to this guy. He doesn't shut up, yeah.
Dragon.
Where did he come from?
UAV beginning flyover.
I think I'm the only one in here with a mic other than you.
There's one more person there. Keep talking.
UAV is out. Returning to resupply.
Oh, you faggot ass bitch.
Enemy VTOL in the enemy UAV overhead.
Guys sitting upstairs talking shit and acts like he's an all-star. You're a fucking loser, bro.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Oh, night-night.
You're almost it's yours. This is our fight. Stay focused. UAV is ready for flight.
Yo, gas grenades?
UAV
Straight weirdos in this game, man. Oh, night-night, Salty. Why aren't you talking now? Why aren't you talking now, Salty? Where's that same energy? Where's that same energy?
UAV is out of
Alright, bitch, what? Alright, fucking
returning to
bet.
resupply.
Bet, bitch. Keep that same energy up, what you do?
Yo, I already got that energy, bro. You don't gotta tell me.
Shit,
Fuck
that
you,
pussy ass.
Yeah, Salty was.
Pussy ass nigga, so you fuck him.
Nah, fuck you, bitch.
Faggot ass
Fucking
bitch.
suck my dick, bitch.
dude thinks he's nice.
UAV is ready to fly.
Like, this guy can literally get out of my lobby. This is my lobby.
Shut the fuck up, nigga.
My lobby, dude. My lobby. It's literally my lobby, dude.
Chicks with no fucking loot, bitch.
Get out of here, Salty. You're camping up top and you're losing, bro. You're talking trash by yourself and you're losing the game.
I haven't even been on top of you fucking at all. You fucking dumbass motherfucker. I'm fucking killing you, bitch ass nigga. Ah, you fucking tell me I'm down punching. What?
That's all mad because he's bad.
Shit before you talk shit. Shut the fuck up. I'm not talking
Dude,
shit.
you're bad. You're bad. You're literally bad. You're literally bad and you're talking shit. Why are you bad and talking shit?
About to resorting to resupply.
Get a fucking shot, bro. Shit, man.
Dude, you're so bad,
Yeah,
dude.
sit the fuck down. Sit the fuck down.
Oh, he's getting all mad. I'm spinning in circles, dude. Shut up. You're trash. You're dog shit.
Enemy sentry gun action.
Get out of my lobby, kid. You're actually garbage.
We have
You're sweating your balls off with the Uzi and you just got slapped. Now don't talk to me.
Shut the fuck up, you cum bucket.
Yeah, you were talking shit by yourself, bro. So shut the
I
fuck
should
up,
have
you trash
fucking
can.
swallowed you, bro. Shut the fuck up.
Yeah, you're quiet now. You're real quiet. You don't have that same energy. So shut the fuck up. Yeah, you're quiet now, bitch.
Shut the fuck up, nigga. Send me your address, bro. I'll pull up right now and I'll fucking